can the light turn on by switching the switch? Is there any explanation for this?
Metals are good conductors of electricity. You might have noticed that electricians use an electric tester that has a plastic insulation at the touching or holding end. Why is it so? You will be able to answer this question after doing this activity. In this activity, we need copper wire, a piece of plastic, insulated electric wires, and a bulb. An electric circuit is made by connecting electric wires, batteries, and bulb. Connect the copper wire between the open ends of the wires. What do you see? You can see that the bulb glows. It means that the copper wire is a good conductor of electricity. Now, connect the piece of plastic between the open end of the wire. The bulb does not glow. This shows that plastic is a bad conductor of electricity. So, a tester is insulated by plastic to protect the holder from electric shock, as it is a bad conductor of electricity. This is the structure of an atom. Now, this is the center of the atom called a nucleus, which contains protons and neutrons, while these tiny particles which fly around the nucleus are called electrons and are negatively charged. Can you see the difference between these two pictures? Yes, look closely. In the first picture, you have all 4 electrons, but in the second picture, 1 electron seems to be lost from its outermost shell. Therefore, the second picture is not considered as an atom anymore. It is now called as an ion. Now, take a look at the structure of this metal. See the red dots over there? They are drawn to symbolize the free-moving electrons that come from the outer shell of the metals. They are called as the sea of free electrons or sea of delocalized electrons. We call them as sea because they act just like a liquid that continuously flow about. And the term free-moving electrons is used because they are not tied to any atom anymore. Then, why do metals, for example, copper, conduct electricity? Well, this is because metal atoms have outer electrons which are not tied to any atoms. These delocalized electrons can move freely within the structure of a metal when an electrical current is applied. Remember that electrons can flow only when they have the opportunity to move in the spaces between the atoms of a material. This means that there can be electric current only where there exists a continuous path of conductive material providing a conduit for electrons to travel through. Okay, then why do woods or plastics cannot conduct electricity? It's simple. This is simply because there are no free-moving electrons flowing around the metal atoms. As an addition, these are some daily applications involving electrical conductivity.